குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ திருநீலியம்மன் துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. Capricorn Lagna Bhava benefits. Capricorn house is the first sign. It takes physical effort. They keep buying their physical labor for themselves or others. They will have to dissolve themselves. They have to keep working and keep doing something for themselves or for those who are not related to them. Expenditure and waste of physical labor for others will keep them busy as if they are running their physical labor for someone or something. They have taken this birth to help others. What business can they do? Jupiter planet if Uttaradam is star. Banking, accounts, finance, administrations, law, education. Thiruvonam star Venus is karma. Art related field astrology, fashion technology, beauty related field, art related field, camera, video, animation, graphics field related field can be involved in this. Avitam stars Saturn karma, marketing department, economics department, labor law may rise to the top in related professions and gain honor and respect. Aquarius house is the second sign. Aquarius Bhava is the sign of fulfilling desire. Karmurjan fruitful sign. A circle of friends, a professional group, our lifestyle through a routine, a circle of friends, a group of member of a self-help group, a self-service group, a research group, a spiritual group, or a group can say that sign is the 11th sign. Many are treasures are buried. Desire, love, ambition, dream can all achieved. We can achieve the fruits of our karma. We can achieve profitability for our business. The interactions we encounter in our lives can elevate us to immeasurably higher levels. Human chain communication. Money cannot buy the benefits that come with it, cannot be bought by material things. Many rare things can be achieved through human interaction. We also get contacts from people from other fields. The second sign is family status, trust, father's, mother, uncle, father's official connections, mother, elder brother, sister contacts available through them, mother, friends, neighborhood, location, relationship, friends, connection. If they are not wasteful or not hasty but are fair and honest and creative in their actions, then their social identity can reach great heights in their career journey. All their professional desires, ambitions, and desires are there may by repeated many. Many innumerable benefits from the second Baba Garaga. A treasure of profit is waiting. If you take advantage of it honestly, it will be a huge success. Pisces house is the third sign. Younger brother, close friend, neighbors, father-in-law, social websites, internet, Facebook, habits, friendship, relationships, etc. But the 12th sign for a Pisces man is wastefulness, wasteful spending, good or bad waste, and the sign that we spend is a sign of Pisces. Information about medical expenses abroad will come through them. Expenses that may come through younger siblings, expenses that may come through close friends, expenses that may come through younger siblings, expenses that may come through close friends, expenses that may come through close friends, through telecommunication devices, expenses, cell phone, internet communication can be thought of as expenses that may be incurred through expenses incurred. It is the place where you built. It do spend what you earn. Due to the third sign, expenses will always come one should be ready to pay these expenses. If not, one should take care of one situation in advance, otherwise it will lead to huge waste. This is the work of Pisces. Ketu's character is the indebtedness of the burn. Ketu's radiation will always remain in the house of Pisces. No matter what we do to the house of Pisces, we will not get the befitting results. We never get recognition from Pisces house that we do so much and they do much for us. Whichever house Ketu is in, there is little in common. It is a sign to think that no matter how much we give, it is your duty. If we are not prepared in advance, this pieces will come as a stranglehold on our neck. Dependent on the third sign, waste awards. One should be careful in medical matters. The House of Pisces is a sign that gives more medical knowledge and information and awareness about new medicines and informations about doctors, foreign level, foreign travel, communication life, export import business, business communication, service communication, employment and all related awareness and knowledge. It comes to us easily through treasures of information and human chains of friendship through Pisces relationship. So let's not waste the sign of Pisces. If that sign causes waste, let it cause it. It is in the hands of fate. But we have to be vigilant so that we don't waste. But let's not waste the information and habits that can be gained through that sign. If we use it constructively and positively, it will certainly be huge in our lives. It helps to contribute. Sun is the lord of any matter, father, head of family, master of the company, where we work, government, all these things. Those who come in the sun third malefic Karaga will be affected by the sun's Karaga too. Because in their lineage there will be surely be stars cursed by the sun Aswini, Ashlesha, Anuradha, Purubhadra in stars. Fathers-in-law, family, lineage, younger brother, close friends, legacy, lineage, neighbor, family, sun karma is mixed in that DNA. House of Pisces is a house of duality. Aries house is the fourth sign. There is no provision to enjoy the properties in his name. The property in the name of house, flat, car, vehicle will keep giving some problem. Otherwise, it will become a problem to not enjoy it. These kind of situations will continue to develop. They cannot enjoy the fourth sign offering. House, land, property, car, vehicle, movable property, immovable property, etc. should not be in their name. For example, if a teacher takes a loan from a bank and buys a place and builds a house, there will be professional transfer. Instead of moving into a new house, they will move to another place and now they will rent the house and use that rent for their own house. They cannot use or enjoy the income that comes from the fourth sign. Even the higher studies they have studied will not be useful for them and will not related to the work they study. The fourth sign is lack of advantages and gain. Taurus house is the fifth sign. Art, science, astrology, worship, deity worship, spirituality, sports, professions, time goes by and the rest of the time. Kiss baby is a sign that includes so many things. All those who depend on it sincerely as a business or as a helper will be blessed and will get their own profit. products in the sports industry are meant for exercise. It is advisable to do equipment related products business. Help and financial assistance can be provided in this. There are a few things that can be done about motivation in sports. These will add to the merit and will get their own merits. One can do business depending on the fifth sign. Help can be done depending on it. Through the first child, there will be Panchayat quarrels. It is a blessing to meet this. Gemini house is the sixth sign. Health disorder, debt, teacher, marketing, employment, enemy, fuss, litigation, all these are sixth house. Employees should not share their personal opinion with a co-worker. Be careful in sharing your opinions. Do not talk about unnecessary things. This will cause them problems. If they record what they say or distort it in various ways, they will spoil their name. Job loss, unemployment, many will be tested like this. He will lose his promotion and should not talk about any job in the company. Like this, Gemini air sign can spread to all ascendants. Lagana. Good for them as long as the secret stays a secret. Cancer house is the seventh sign. Care should be taken when looking for a groom. The available wealth should be properly utilized and managed properly. Otherwise, it will not be obtained and the obtained will not last. Cancer instability means that one should not be too continued wife. Partner is involved in the seventh house. In all things, you should live better with what you got. If you fail to use what you got, you will regret in later. What they got was a big deal. If you miss it, then there will be instability of whether you will get it or not. It is better not to miss out of many male female grooms that many Capricorns tend to miss out on when they are looking for them. If a person says no to a bone, the reason is based off dharma. If you expect something and knock the boom off, then there will be a situation where the bone will not come. They keep learning tricks from seventh house natives. They keep teaching some lessons to those who come as the seventh sign. It is like a guru disciple relationships. It is always like this. A partner should similarly take advantage of what he got in the case of marriage. Knowing a lot about marketing, having a lot of material production situations, industry knowledge, and human relation is an immense skill that a marketing person can have. A person who knows about stock market trading will make good use of these skills in his professional life. If you misuse it, you will lose your life and career. Capricorn Lagna attain a high life after marriage from nothing before marriage, but it takes a lot of effort to get that feeling. But if properly and well placed with the seventh Lord, they will attain a higher position in life. Everything will be God if we live together. Virgo house is the ninth sign. Property related to father, all things related to business ninth sign. Acting through father position, competition, geology, fuzzy, court case, inciting bridge sign that can create enemies. Hard red sect enmity success. Health can be called sign. Father-related matters, enmity, debt, enemy, problems will come through relationships, long distance travel, higher education, foreign travel, a smoke will develop there while studying higher education. These are the ones who keep inciting geology, the payment, long distance travel, court case, first footing, panchayat debt, medical expenses, physical injury, accident while traveling long distance. The sixth sign is a simple accident, and the ninth sign is a serious accident. Be careful while traveling long distance. Do not take loans and go abroad for further studies. It is wrong for the father to take a property loan and sue. Don't get involved in debt in the ninth Bhava Karakatva. There will be an event of sacrificial life in paternal fertility. One should be comfortable in doing PhD, not a jerk. Libra house is the 10th sign. The manner of becoming a husband wife depends on the 10th sign. A house of experience of contact with the outside world, friendship, and understanding of human relationships. The 10th sign is charity industry. No matter how hard you work, you will get only half of the results. Even if you work like a cow, you will not get the fruits of your labor. Saturn Lagna in Libra. The cause of labor. Saturn will be in absolute power in Libra. If there is complete power, he will get more work. If not, he will ask to sacrifice, and only after making sacrifice, the 10th sign is to work hard or make sacrifices to benefit the goal of the business. Only by losing one thing can you gain another. Only by losing the great thing that the mind loves can it regain its desire. Without losing, nothing can be gained. The 10th sign is duty. One duty must be fulfilled to gain another. Duty is something we have to do whether we like it or not. You have to do it for survival. If you are hungry, you should eat and you should do your duty. If you feel sleepy, you should sleep. If you wake up, you should make up. You have to go to work. It's a duty. Whether you can work or not, you must do the 10th sign for duty. To develop your career, to succeed in your career, to improve your relationship with people in the outside world, to improve your habits, to keep in touch with many friends, to make many friends, to develop friendships safely. Do not be hostily. Neutrality is essential to maintaining a healthy relationship. This will help them develop their careers. The more they cut off their contact with the outside world, the worse their career will be. If they don't get bad name from anyone while working in a company, they will get promotion. When they are there to antagonize a few people, they will not be able to get a promotion. 10th house is mother in law's house where moon karma works. There is moon curse in maternal line of inheritance. The world will understand people through Libra sign. The experience that they get through business is not available through any other means. Non-business people face huge problems through in-laws. Experience is not only price, it's living with ugliness and shame. Career mother-in-laws, house fathers, way of income in which there are many tests, challenge, loss, and only after that they will succeed. When they shine in these three, they will be as if they have attained the stage of enlightenment. Scorpio house is the 11th sign. Circle of common friends, elder brother, sister-in-law, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, place of profit, place of desire, place of fulfillment or desire, profit from business, online groups, Lions Club, Rotary Club, unifying organization in groups. All these are members of the 11th sign. A sign that causes sign. By doing so, he gets trapped in the karmic web and thus gets the punishment of black karma. Regarding the 11th sign, one should not engage in dharma activities outside of dharma. Whatever comes through them should be taken carefully. They have a social circle of friends, elder brother, father, younger brother, 11th place should think well of any person who is out of cheating dharma. You will be driven to the bit up by them. Be charitable in matters of profit. Sagittarius house is the 12th sign. Higher education, pursuing missing education, long distance travel, foreign travel, taking our brain soul to the next stage of evolution, helping it is Sagittarius Bhava. More contact satsang mahans, expert people, contact foreign life, abroad life, become the next step, mastery of life, knowledge related people, contact friendly circles available while traveling abroad, knowledge, wisdom helps in the next evolution. In this way, there is definitely a chance to get spiritual contact through people from that medical world. You will get the connection of many sage likes father, mother, mother-in-law, grandfather. Through this relationship you will get Sagittarius power. Mother-in-law, close friends, neighbors, younger brother will come in this relationship. Their friendly routine takes it to the next level. Alliance, professional circle, close friends through which 12th bhava alliance will be available. Husband, wife, mother, uncle will get Sagittarius bhava alliance through them. More than two marriages is a sign that bears Rahu Gars. That is Capricorn bhava benefits. Thank you, thank you, thank you.